Welcome to my YouTube channel CSS Scenario, and in this video we are going to talk about the concept of borders in CSS, how we can implement the borders in CSS on any kind of specific things. So let's get started, and before starting our video, do subscribe my YouTube channel so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So we are going to create a folder on the desktop, and it should be named as testing, and that will be fine. And now we are going to open the Visual Studio Code, and on the file section we are going to open the folder. So on the desktop we found that one, select folder, and now we are going to create an index file. So index.html, and using IntelliSense Shift 1 we are going to create the initial text of HTML, and in the title we are going to write borders in CSS. So basically what is the concept of the border and why should we use the border? In the web designing there's a kind of stuff it's been used in decorating all the divs, or you can border a number of things. That might be a paragraph, that might be headings. You can border, and you can implement the border on all the stuff you want. You just need to add the CSS class to that specific thing. So in this video we will have a look on those things that will cover the concept of the borders. So for practice we are going to create a div. So I am going to create a div, and in this div I'm going to write my dummy text. So in Visual Studio Code you can write the dummy text using LO, and you will have to press the tab button. So using this you can create a dummy tag, and you will have a paragraph, and this paragraph doesn't have any kind of meaning as it is dummy paragraph, and its language is unknown too. So now I want to explore, and I will reveal in the file explorer and in the index.html. So as you can see that this is our file. So in this case I just want to implement the functionality of the border to the div. The paragraph is embedded inside the div, and it is situated inside the div, and is it a div or not, that way it will be finalized by the implementation of the border. So for that purpose we just need to move towards the div, and before the body we have to create a style, as we are using internal CSS as we have used in a previous video. So style, and now I want to create a class that will be named as border practice. So I will name this class as border practice. So now what is the first thing that you can implement? So the first thing is that I want to implement the border style and border color. So I will write as border color. Border color is black, and then when I write border, so it will give me a lot of options. In the style you can write dotted, and border radius it can be 3px, 2px. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I want to refresh the page. So we have forgot to implement the class. So we have to implement the class on a div, and we write class is equal to border practice. Okay, So as you can see, the border has been implemented, and the border is of 3px and it is a dotted one, and it is its radius is 2px and its color is black. And if you want to change the style of the border, you can change it as solid or whatever you want. I just converted it in a solid one, so you can see that it is implemented, and you can see that it's a border. And you can also change the color of the border. Let's suppose I want to turn into the coral, so it will be this one. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel, CSS Scenario. And if you have any kind of question, you can ask and you can paste them in the comment section so I can read them out and I can personally reply you.